Hey YouTubers, this is an affordable and easy to install light bar on your Kugoo Wish or Tuttio electric pit bike. A link to this product is above and also in the description. This light bar is a metal housing that's weatherproof. It comes with the mounts and all the hardware that you need, and it's USB rechargeable, and you can switch it from 2 lights to a full 6 lights, a blinking mode, and then off, and then back to the 4 light mode. It's very nice and low profile. It looks like it belongs on the bike. I'll show you how to easily install it, and you can see just how bright it is. It's nice and bright for trail riding. So without further ado, let's get started on that install, and I hope that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Now this headlight is a metal housing or light bar, and you can charge it with the USB cord that's here. It's a micro USB. It comes with a couple of different mounts, so it's adaptable. It comes with the bolts or screws and the little wrench that you need. I want to install the headlight right here that's nice and low profile, but I want to be careful because it says this housing gets hot, and I don't want the cables to touch the housing and melt the cables. Now the clamps that come with this bike are nice because they have these knobs so you can easily secure the headlamp. It has this little tab on here that you can slide in this groove and then move the clamps to whatever position that you need. It also comes with these screws, so if you want to remove this knob, you can utilize these screws and more permanent mount. So let's get started on the install. I'm going to put this plastic on here and position this like that. So what I'm going to have to do is this brake cable would rub on this potentially. This cable was routed here, so what I'm going to do is route the brake cable underneath. I'm going to get a zip tie and zip tie it underneath here so that I'll make sure that it doesn't hit the housing of the light. The light bar looks really nice and low profile on the bike. I did have to make some adjustments to the brake cables. You can see the front one I routed underneath. I put a zip tie there to secure it and make sure that it doesn't come up and hit the housing. And then it routes over here and it's secured to the rear brake cable, which was coming down in front of the light, causing like a shadow. But overall, it looks really nice. I'm going to go out and take it for a ride. The housing on the light says that it gets hot, but this light has been on for a few minutes now, and I can touch the housing. It's warm, but it's not super hot, so I'm pleased with that. We're here at dusk on this trail, and I'm going to test the light here. I'm going to start out with the 4 bulbs. That's pretty nice and illuminated. And then if we go here, that's the 2 lights, the dimmest mode. And then that is the brightest mode. And then I can adjust this up and down if I wanted to. I left it a little bit loose. So it definitely gives some brightness to the trail and easy to see around. And then obviously you go back, there's a blinking mode and then back to off. So that concludes my video. I hope that you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.